Welcome, in front of me I have HOMVILLA Fitness Tracker, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. If you want to change the language on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the VeryFit Pro app. After your watch is paired with your phone, you can open the VeryFit Pro app on your phone. In the app, tap on Device. Here we have Device page. On this page, tap on More. And here we have option called Device Language. Tap on it. And here we have list of languages we can select. For example, let's select Deutsch. Now I'm gonna show you that we have an English language on our watch for now. As you can see, the menu is in English. And now when I tap on the check mark right here to confirm and save the settings, our watch will sync with our phone and the language will change, as you can see. Let's bring it back to English, or you can also select default by OS. Basically, it's gonna sync the language with your language on your phone, basically. So you can select default by OS, then tap on check mark to confirm. And now our language should be English because I have English language on my phone, as you can see. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.